You want more from your vehicle than ever before, and with Ford Protect PremiumCARE, we're probably covering more than you expect. From engine, transmission, brakes, and suspension to electrical systems, PremiumCARE is our most comprehensive mechanical coverage. But with more than 1,000 covered components, there's a lot more included than you may realize. Things like safety systems, air conditioning, and power steering. And don't forget, PremiumCARE also covers today's high-tech and smart technology, such as navigation systems, Sync My Ford Touch, Adaptive Cruise Control, Ford Link, Blind Spot Info System, Reverse Camera System, Lane Depart Warning, Enhanced Active Park Assist, Intelligent Oil Life Monitor, Rain Sensing Wipers, and much more. And with 1 or 2 average repairs often costing more than the price of the plan, PremiumCARE is a critical part of planning your ownership experience, whenever and wherever you are. Speaking of ownership experience, your PremiumCARE coverage offers much more than contracts of the past. You may not have considered benefits such as interior and exterior lighting, key services, and first-day rental coverage. It's easy to overlook the need to protect interior and exterior lighting, but it's more important than you may think. Today's lighting is far more complex than in the past. These high-tech lighting options create a brighter environment inside your vehicle and better visibility on the road. To deliver that level of quality requires sealed assemblies instead of single bulbs. This means when those LED or halogen lights go out and need to be replaced, costs can add up quickly. With PremiumCARE Lighting Protection, you'll know replacement of your complex exterior and interior lighting systems is covered wherever you are. And your Ford Protect PremiumCARE also covers lost, stolen, or damaged key fobs. Today's key fobs are high-tech devices that provide a wide range of services. They can start your vehicle with the push of a button, set alarms, start the engine remotely, unlock doors, and unlock the trunk or hatch. Key fobs can also signal the vehicle to adjust seat settings, as well as control dash settings and speed controls. You won't find these keys at the hardware store. And there's more. Did you know Ford Protect PremiumCARE First Day Rental provides a rental vehicle immediately from the first day your vehicle is dropped off, even without an overnight repair? A trip to your Ford dealership should be as convenient as possible, and First Day Rental removes the hassle of waiting or making other transportation arrangements. When you buy Ford Protect PremiumCARE, you cut out the worry of unforeseen repairs with protection that averages less than 2% of the price of the vehicle for each additional year of coverage. Your vehicle is a major purchase, and with the average lifespan of ownership at more than 7 years, maximizing your ownership experience takes a long-term plan. We can help with a plan that covers even more than ever before to help keep you on the road. Ford Protect, more than you expect. The extended service plan made just for you.